Good morning, students. Can we have silence? You at the back, Stoker? Shut up! Ja, dis beter. It's a new year and we are back to school. And I want to know if I had found a different job during the school holidays, I would not have come back to the school. I would have left in a heartbeat. Yeah. And on that point, ek sien ons het weer mense terug vir 'n tweede jaar in dieselfde klas.
Emotional damage.
So vir daardie dreipelinge, ek wil vir julle sê, whether you decide to do your work or you don't do your work, it makes no difference to me. Ek word nie genoeg betaal om te worry van julle nonsens die jaar nie.
Oh my God! Wow!
Point number 3, you there at the back, young man. Why are you sitting on your phone during school time? While you're sitting on your phone, why didn't you research the word incarceration? Ja, is 'n groot woord. Wat dit beteken tronkstraf. Ja, because jy clearly worry nie van die toekoms nie. Jy clearly worry nie van skoolwerk nie. Jy clearly worry nie van die skool nie. So jy might as well familiar raak met die woord tronkstraf.
Oh my!
And the girls at the back, this is not going to be a year of the TikTok dances.
Bruh. Oh my God!
Dis nie 'n jaar wat julle met my wil mors nie. Wat is?